Satsanya. What is satsanya? Tau sat. Satrishanachau. Tau satrishanachau satsangyo syat. In Kridanta, there are two pratyas, Shatri pratyay and Shanach pratyay. Okay? Shatri pratyay and Shanach pratyay. Write it down. Tau Shatri Sanachau Satsangyo Syat. This is the vritti of the sutra. So, Shatri Pratyay and Shanach Pratyay. Remember that Shatri Pratyay is added with Parasmaipadi Dhatu. Write down. Shatri Pratyay is added to Parasmaipadi Dhatu and Shanach Pratyay is added to Atmanepadi Dhatu. Okay? So, Pat is a dhatu. Pat is a which type of dhatu? Na? Parasmaipadi dhatu. You know that?
No.
Yes, Prabhuji.
You don't know how to discriminate Parasmaipadi with Atmanepadi.
Prabhuji,
Who can
one
say?
is
I explained these things.
Parasmati is
Atmanepadi
active voice and Atmani is passive voice. This is okay?
No. There's no words change here.
At the end, there will
Hmm?
be the and at the
So
end
where?
of there will
Hmm?
be the other thing.
Anybody
Yes.
else?
Atmanipad activities directed to yourself, private, and Parasmai external world.
That's a good idea. Yes. Parasmaipada, by the name, it sounds like it's for the others, and Atmanepadi for yourself. That's a good explanation. Actually, such kind of explanation is also there. Hmm. It's true. It's true. If you see patati, likhati, gachati, khadati, vadati, what did you get this idea from?
From
Siddhartha Das?
from my concept, I don't know from where I got, but it's written in my book.
Oh, okay, that's good. So Parasmaipadi is for others, and Atmanepadi is for himself. Yeah, to certain degree it's true. Patati, gachati, likhati, vadati, khadati. This is the superficial explanation of Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi, even though it contains the word para and atma. But to me, it does not make much sense because patati, if someone is reading, he's reading for himself. Gachati, yeah, he is going. Sunoti, shnoti, dadati. That's one kind of example. And labhate, yachate, labhate, receiving is for himself. Yachate, asking for, begging. Yachate, viksham yachate. Diyate. Anyway, But the main thing is that it's a natural formation of the dhatus. Some dhatus are parasmaipadi, some dhatus are atmanepadi. You understand? And some dhatus are ubhaipadi. So, like we see in human beings, mostly people are right-handed, but there are some people left-handed. You understand? So left-handed, Sachin Tendulkar is left-handed, Amitabh Bachchan is left-handed. So you cannot say that, oh, this is a different kind of human being. No, they are all same. Someone is right-handed, someone is left-handed, and there are some people whose both hand works same way. But that's very rare, but it happens also. Both-handed. Vinod Kamli was left-handed. So this is a normal phenomena with the dhatus. Some dhatus are naturally right, parasmaipadi. Some dhatus are naturally atmanepadi, and some dhatus are natural bhaipadi. So both will be used in kartrikarakam. Saha vidyalayam gacchati and saha jnanam labhate. You can use the same way. Gacchati and labhate can be used. Saha dhanam prapnoti, saha dhanam labhate. Both are same. Okay, saha dhanam prapnoti, saha dhanam labhate. Both are same. One is parasmaipadi dhatu, one is atmanepadi. The answer I was expecting is that you will say parasmaipadi ends with ti and atmanepadi ends with te. Now voice change. Huh?
I tried to say like that, my voice was not clear, but
Okay, in that case, you can write it down also. Yeah. So, and ubhaipadi dhatu has both options. Okay, like Kriadigan, Kranati, Krinite, Saha, 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 Annam, Kranati, Saha, Annam, Krinite. Both options are there. You can use in the same lat laka, lit laka, lot laka, lung lakar. Sarkar, please don't move your phone, huh? So, what I'm saying is that some dhatus are naturally parasmaipadi, some dhatus are naturally atmanepadi, and some dhatus are naturally ubhaipadi. Repeat it. Okay. So, there are two pratyas I'm talking about. Tau, Shatri Sanachau, Sat Sangyo Syat. This is the vritti of Sat Sangya. Sutra number 58, I guess. Whatever. So, yes. So, now Shatri Pratyay and Shanach Pratyay. So, the Shatri Pratyay will only be added to Parasmaipadi Dhatus. And Shanach Pratyay, the Pratyayas are concocted. I said Viram Das is here. Viram Das. So, Panini created two kinds of pratyayas. One is Shatri and Shanach. So, he created this Shatri Pratyay keeping in mind the Parasmaipadi Dhatus. He created this Shanach Pratyay keeping in mind the Atmanepadi Dhatus. That's why I use the word concocted or speculated or imagined. So, this is what the grammarians they imagine. Now, Shatri is a Pratyay. So, Kshatri. You see the word Kshatri. Talavyasha goes away. Lashakvatadhite. Lashakvatadhite. The Talavyasha goes away. The Rikar goes away with Upadesha Janunasika it. So what remains? When Sha goes away, A remains. When Re goes away, Ta remains. At remains at the end. At. Got it? Now, Patha is a dhatu. And this also, because this Satrisanach falls under the category of Kridanta chapter. Which chapter? Kridanta. Therefore, I said, if you remember, that Kritadhit Samasaha Ekashesha Sanadhyanta Pancha Vrittayah. These are the 5 vrittis, generator of new words called Pratipadika. So I'm revising everything. So this Satri, after getting the Satri Pratyay or Shanach Pratyay, a new word is being created, which is known as Pratipadika Shabda, and from there on we will get 21 forms. Vibhakti Rupas. Clear?
तो भी यहाँ से क्लियर कर दीजिए जो लास्ट में बताया आपने.
जैसे पठ धातु है, पठ धातु. In general, patati, patata, patanti, that is ting pratyayanta dhatu rupas, that all we all know, right? Sarvadev Das, you joined very late.
I have joined earlier, but video is on right now.
Okay.
Because light
And
is not here. Currently.
Yes, you missed 2 classes. What happened?
Yes.
Why you didn't come last 2 classes?
Some
Gujarat.
classes are same time.
Huh?
Some classes
Yes.
rather glorification of Radharani. Some classes are same time.
No. Yesterday we had an off day. I let the devotees pray for Radharani. Then I'll get more blessings. So I let them be free on Radhastami.
I am not in the temple. I am the complete bed rest in the Vani ashram.
I have little power. Sarkar, what's his name? Krishna. Brajamohan Sarkar has more power. So all the accumulated strength I'm getting here. So my brain is functioning well. So Shatri, Patati, Patata, Patanti, Papata, Petatu, Petuhu. ये सब शब्द पठ धातु से बनता है. परिंदर जी, आपने सुना है?
जी प्रभु जी, सुन रहा हूँ, मैं सब कुछ सुन रहा हूँ.
हाँ, पपाठ, पेठतु, पेठू, ये सब सुना है?
पेठा सुना है. पेठा तो सुना ही है.
हाँ, वैसे पेठू, ये लिट लकार का रूप है पठ धातु का. पठ धातु लिटि धातु और अनभ्यासस्य करके एक सूत्र आता है जिसमें पा पठ होता है. पा पठ, 1 extra pa comes. Okay, and then this
पापड़ भी इसी से बनाया गया. पापड़ भी ऐसे.
So babhuva, likewise babhuva happens same way. Papatha happens. Papatha petatu petuhu. So this is a parasmai padi dhatu and it gets shatri pratyaya. What happens once after getting shatri pratyaya? Pathan, likhan, smaran, gachan, vadan. This kind of words are being created. To write it down. Now what it says, look. Parasmai padinah atmane padinah ubhay padinas cheti dhatavah vivitrividhaha. You're understanding? Whatever I said, it's written here same way. Vartaman kalarthe parasmai padi dhatunam shatri pratyayo bhavati. but it is applied only in present tense. Keep in mind, Kshatri and Sanach are being used in present tense only. What we use in English, present continuous. It's just the present continuous. He is talking while he is walking. Okay? Saha gachan badannasti. So again, this after we get the form pathan, this is again being divided into three lingas. Important point. So pathan masculine, pathanti feminine, and pathat napumsak linga. Again, from this one word, three types of word will be generated. So 21 plus 21 plus 21 is equal to 63 forms will be generated. Masculine, feminine, and neuter gender. Kshatri ityatra bhagah avashishyate, that I explained. Kshatri pratyaya prayoge shatrantam pratipadikam siddhyati. After the after administering Kshatri pratyaya with the dhatu, Kshatri pratyayanta pratipadikam. What kind of pratipadik? Boliye.
Kshatri Pratayant.
Kshatri pratyayan. So when we see some pratipadik, and if we can guess where it is created, generated, like I say pankaja, panke jayate iti pankajaha. It can be samas also. So samasanta pratipadik shabda. But pathan is a shatranta pratipadik shabda. Kshatri pratyanta pratipadik shabda. So when I'm saying Kshatri pratyanta, like I'm saying, he is a Marathi Gaudiya Vaishnava. So I'm saying he is a Marathi Brahmin Gaudiya Vaishnava. That means I'm giving the background. Clear? So pathanti is Trilinga, patat Napumsaklinga. So what it says, Kshatri prayoge shatrantam pratipadikam siddhyati Kshatri pratyasya prayogaha loke vishesha rupena kriyate. This is being used in the lokas a lot. Shatrantam padam pullinga napumsaklinga bheda vivinna rupam prapnoti. So as per the three division of gender, it gets different kinds of forms. Done. So Nrityan, Gayan, Krishnan, Rudan, Shaknuvan. Nrityan mane nachte nachte. Grindhan lete lete. Shaknuvan. Shaknuvan करते करते समर्थ अर्थ में है. नृत्यन, रुदन, खादन, लिखन, कुर्वन, शिण्वन. These are all Kshatri pratyayanta. Adhyapaka patham pathayan nasti. The adhyapaka, the teacher, is teaching the lesson. Balakaha vidyalayam gachan nasti. The boy is going to the school. So present continuous. Bhaktaha devam namaskurvan nasti. The bhaktas are bowing down to the Lord. Anujaha katham nasti. The younger brother is listening to the katha. Balaka jalam piban gacchati. The boy is going while drinking the water. Vanaraha vriksham arohan khadati. The monkey is eating the fruit while climbing up the tree. this kind of words. Pullinge bhavat shabdasya rupavat shatranta rupani vidha vibhaktishu vachaneshu cha bhavanti. Like there is a bhavat shabda you will find in the PDF, bhavat. Bhavan, bhavanto, bhavantaha. So similar, this will gachan, gachanto, gachantaha, gachat shabda. Gachat will be the outcome. Gachat, gachanto, gachanta, shinvan, shinvan, shinvanto, shinvantah, grinhan, grinhanto, grinhanta, rudan, rudanto, rudanta. Likewise, you will get 21 vibhakti rupas and in 3 different genders. Patan, patanto, patanta, patan, patanto, patata, patata, patadbhyam, patadbhi, patate, patadbhyam, patadbhya, patata, patadbhyam, patadbhya, patataha, patatoho, patatam, patati, patatoho, patatsu. हो गया? The same patatu in Strilinga will be panti, rachayanti, snati, kranati, japanti, kurvati, grinhati, chinnati, dudati. This. Now let's come to Shanach Pratyay. Shanach Pratyay, as I mentioned, what will happen in the Ubhayapadi dhatus? This should be the question, isn't it? So in Ubhayapadi dhatu, the Parasmayapadi part will get Shatri Pratyay, the Atmanapadi part will get Shanach Pratyay. That's it. Now Shanach Pratyay. वर्तमानार्थे आत्मनेपदी धातुभ्यः शानच प्रत्ययः भवति. वर्तमानार्थे only in present tense, like coming and doing. What happens in English also? I am coming from school. I was coming from school. I will be coming from school. The same way, in Sanskrit, they just change the verb, root verb, present, past, and future. But this patan, gachan, khadan, it is used because here there is no concept of like in English. So there is only one lat lakar. Vartaman kalaha ekameva asti. So you can add, suppose you want to say gachantam asan. If you want to say in past, you have to use the as dhatu. The thing form you have to maintain. Or if you add sma with a present tense, kasminschit vane ekaha vyagraha vasati sma. Vasati is present lat lakar, but sma is taking the sentence to past tense. Okay. Shanach pratyaya kartari. Vartamanarthe atmanepadi dhatubhya shanach pratyaya bhavati. Parasmaipadinam shatri pratyaya bhavati iti tu purvameva jnatam. We have already discussed that the shatri pratyaya are being added with the parasmaipadi dhatu and shanach pratyaya are being added with the atmanepadi dhatu. Parasmaipadinam shatri pratyaya bhavati iti tu purvameva jnatam. This we have discussed earlier. Shanach pratyaya an iti bhagaha avashishyate. Shanach, if you write Talavisha, Shiva, Shanach. So, Sha goes away, Cha goes away, Halantyam tasya lopaha. Only An remains, An. And pratyaya An remains. So you can concoct, you can speculate, you can imagine any pratyaya which will have An. You understand? So you
Like
put instead of Talibasha, you put Ka. Instead of Talibasha, you put Ka. You write Kan. Kanach Pratyaya if you write, for example. No, Kanach Pratyaya already exists. So something you can Shanach Pratyaya, Kanach Pratyaya, these are all imaginary Pratyayas. So this, all you need is the An. But because An is used in 2 places, 2 different contexts. So Panini has 2 pratyayas, Shanach Pratyaya and Kanach Pratyaya. And Chanas Pratyaya is also there. All contains An. But there are different sutras and different types of functions. Okay, let's see what it says. Adhastam udaharana dvayam pashyantu. So vrtu vardhane, vrtu is a dhatu, vardhane, vardhate, vardhete, vardhante, vardhase, vardhethe, vardhadve, vardhe, vardhavahe, vardhamahe. This is the rupa because it's atmanepadi dhatu lat lakar. Sarvadev Das, understanding?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Oh, so then why there is no expression in your face?
लाइट
Yes.
लाइट नहीं है यहाँ पे, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
So if you smile, I can see your teeth and then I'll understand your understanding. So Shana Pratyay Vrikshaha Vardhamanaha Asti Vrittu Vardhane Vardhate Vardhete Vardhante Vardhase Vardhete Vardhadve Vardhe Vardhavahe Vardhamahe. This is the form. So Vardhamanaha Shanach Pratyay, you can see the an is remaining with the Vardha dhatu. Vardhamanaha. Shayanaha. Shayanaha mane sleeping. Vridha Shayanaha asti. Balaha Shayanaha asti. Beta kya kar raha hai? Na so raha hai. So the boy is sleeping. Sleeping mode. So Shayanaha asti. Vrikshaha Vardhamanaha asti. This tree is growing. So it's in present tense. This is Sanach Pratyay. Similarly, you can use all the Atmanepadis. You use any Nepadis like Labha Dhatu. Te. Labha asti. Bhiksha. Dhanam labhamana. Annam labhamana asti. Phalam labhamana asti. The beggar is fruits. Labhamana. Okay. स्पर्धते स्पृधु क्या है धातु क्या है स्पृधु स्पर्धायाम स्पर्धा माने कंपटीशन स्पर्धते तो स्पर्धमानः बालकः स्पर्धमानः अस्ति boy is in giving a competitive exam or something like that. Kampamanah. This word ejakkaha is equal to kampamana also. This was used in Skanda. What is the name? Shaubhari Rishi. When he came to marry the Mata's 60 daughters, he was like very old, 70, 80 years old, and his head was shaking, and there was Bali Palitaha, has call it like wrinkles. So this Kampamanaha, this word can be used there. They have used Ejakkaha. His head is nodding constantly. Okay? So Kampamanaha. Vriddha Kampamanaha Gacchati. The old man is going shaking. Okay? Mriyamanaha. Na mriyate va bhuyate va kadachit. Na jayate mriyate va kadachit. Mriyate. So mriyate is a Atmanepadi dhatu. You can see the form. From mriyate, if you add Shanach Pratyay, it will become mriyamana. Murjhaya hua. Yachamana. Mangte hue. Asking for. The bhikshukaha yachamana asti. The beggar is asking for. Shobhamana. Sahamana. Sahamana. सहमान माने जो सहन करता है, टॉलरेंट. पलायमान रनिंग अवे. उत्प्लवमान उत्प्लवते. उत्प्लवमान उत्प्लवते मीन्स स्विमिंग. उत्प्लवमान. मोदमान happy, being happy. So modate, modete, modante, sahate, sahete, sahante, shobhate, shobhete, shobhante. These are all Atmanepadi dhatu. Then bhunkte, bhuj, bhuj dhatu, bhunkte. भुंजानः शेते शयानः प्रयुङ्क्ते प्रयुञ्जानः विक्रीणिते विक्रीणानः कुरुते कुर्वाणः कुरुते कुर्वाणः कर्तुः सः वेदपाठम् उच्चारणं कुर्वाणः तर्जयति और दर्शयति. He is chanting the Vedic hymns as well as he is showing you go that way. So वेदपाठं कुर्वाणः दर्शयति, दार्शयति. This is चुरादिगण, चोरयति जैसा रूप बनेगा. चिनुते, collecting like the flowers, he is collecting the flowers. Chin chayane dhatu. In English there is no particular except collect. Chinute is chayan karna, to take out of something. Like you go to the market and you find out the right tomatoes and right cabbage and other things. So you select. That is chayan. That's not just collection. Ching chayane dhatu. And Sanskrit has many verbs for a single action depending on the particularity of that action. Sangraha, sangrahate, sangrihite. Sangraha is collection, but ching chayane means selecting. When you go and pluck the flowers, you are selecting the good, the old ones you are discarding. That is ching chayane dhatu. So chinvanaha, chinvanaha. This is the form being made. So it is not all. Yamanaha, yachamanaha, shobhamanaha, sahamanaha, palayamanaha, but bhunjanaha, shayanaha. So it will do with anaha. It can be enough, it can be done depending on dhatu.
तो प्रभु जी जहां जहां क्षत्रि प्रत्यय और शानच प्रत्यय है वर्तमान में, दैट ऑल इज सत संज्ञा है.
These two pratyayas are called satsanga. ठीक है.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
बोलिए.
प्रभु जी जैसे आपने बताया क्षत्रिय जो प्रत्यय है वो परस्मै धातु में यूज होंगे और उसमें सा और त्र जो है उसका लोप हो जाएगा, अत बचेगा. और शानच है से जो है इसमें जितने भी जो प्रत्यय हैं उसमें आ बचेगा.
हाँ, उसमें भी श चला जाएगा. श पहले कभी भी होगा तो चला जाएगा. Whenever there is तालव्य श, that will definitely go away. नटराज पूछ रही है क्या?
यस प्रभु जी.
हाँ, समझ में आ रही है तुमको अंग्रेजी में मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ?
यस प्रभु जी, समटाइम आती है.
ठीक है. हाँ ठीक है. कहीं कहीं समझ में ना आए तो पूछ लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि मैं पूछ लेना, क्योंकि मुझे ध्यान नहीं. किसी को भी समझ में ना आए इंग्लिश में तो वो आप हिंदी में पूछ लेना, ब्रीफली मैं बता दूंगा. ठीक है एवरीबॉडी. तो what I was going to say is that so whenever there is talabya at the beginning, there is a sutra called lashakkota dhite, la, sha and ka. Okay, this are at the beginning, it will definitely go away. The system rule of grammar. So this shanach and shatri both has talabya, so definitely that will go away. When sha goes away, they are saying sha. See the instruction here, the first teaching I gave about the pronunciation, that theology will be applied here. If you understood that, then this you will understand. So sha goes away does not mean that a goes away. Sha has an inherent a which is invisible, right? I said So the consonants cannot be pronounced without the help of the vowel. So when it is instructing particular instruction for sha, that means sha will go away, leaving the a alone there. So a will remain. And shanach, that means a is there. A will remain and na is there. Shanach and cha is halantyam. I taught you a sutra. I think it came here also. Halantyam. It sanya mein aaya tha na, there was a sutra it sanya, halantyam. So any letter, especially in the case of grammar, I'm not saying ready-made letters like Narayanam has a ma halanta at the end. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking the process of calculation of grammar. Whenever there is a letter in between which is consonant and standing alone with a halanta, will go away with the sutra halantyam tasya lopaha. It is saying hal varna. Hal means haya varat se lan tak, haya varat se lan tak. Haya varat lan yama gananam jabhai ghadadas jaba gadadas khapa chatata chatatab kapai shasasar hal. So all the consonants standing alone at the end during the process will be eliminated. Is it clear for everybody? Pradipta Gorang Prabhu?
Yes, sir. I used some also problem in my, there was no electricity and internet problem. So I have to
Okay.
listen to a recording.
Sure.
प्रभु जी,
Yeah, take
प्रभु
this
जी,
class. Ever? हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
प्रभु जी, हलंतम समझ आ गया कि जो अंत वाला हल है दैट विल बी रिमूव्ड. लेकिन अभी अगर हम देखेंगे क्षत्रि और शानच में हमने शुरू का भी श और श भी रिमूव किया, राइट?
हाँ.
तो वो कैसे किया?
बताया ना, ये लशक को तब्दील एक सूत्र हो है जो किसी पद के आगे ला श का वर्ग रहेगा तो उसको अब हटा देगा ये सूत्र.
प्रभु जी, आपकी आवाज थोड़ी मिस हो गई.
आदेश.
मैं कुछ नहीं सुन पा रहा.
प्रभु जी आप थोड़ा वीडियो ऑफ कर लो अपना, प्रभु जी.
So what am I saying is that there is a sutra, particular sutra, which says that if there la, sha or ka varga at the beginning of the word during the processing of the grammar, not a ready-made word, then those la, sha and ka group letter hal varna will definitely be removed. The sutra is made for that la shakwa tadhite atadhite, but it will not remove in the case of tadhit chapter. But apart from tadhit, wherever it will come, like especially kridanta, samas, or wherever it is, mostly in kridanta it happens, and dhatu also, and some parts of it. So this la, sha, and ka will be eliminated with the sutra. You heard it?
जी प्रभु जी, got it. I wrote it.
So this is a special instruction. See, that's why there are 6 types of sutras they wrote at the beginning. Sanya cha paribhasha cha vir niyama eva cha ati deshodhkarascha shadidam sutra lakshanam. So there are 6 type of sutras. Why? Because some sutras will be descriptive. It will just describe what is pratipadik shabda, what is dhatu, what is danta, what is tinganta. Some sutras will be vidhi sutra. They will say, now you should do, if you find this and this, you do gun sandhi, you do vriddhi sandhi. Here they are saying this is a vidhi sutra. They are saying that wherever there is la shaka, you remove it. There will be adhikar sandhi. If you have to understand anudit savarnasya cha pratyaya. So you have to understand ko yana chi. Suppose some sutras, to understand sarvanam sthan, you have to understand bhasanya. To understand bhasanya, yachibham, you have to understand sarvanam sthan sanya. So this is adhikar sutra. The bhasanya sutra's adhikar sutra is sarvanam sthan sanya. Nishedh sutra, some sutras will be there that maybe there is a sha. Suppose I'm giving an imaginary example. Suppose there is a sha and it can, or there is a halantya varna at the end. So with halantyam and tasya lopa, you can remove it. But there will be a particular sutra in a particular chapter, in a particular context, that will say not to do it, even though you can do it. Why? Because Vyasadeva did not do it. So this is Nishedh Sutra. Vidhi Sutra. Some Vidhi Sutra will say, see, if there is a halanta varna at the end, it will be always eliminated. But in these words, it should be avoided. So this is Vidhi. Like you should eat always Mahaprasad daily, but whenever there is Janmashtami, Radhashtami and Ekadashi, it should be avoided. So Vidhi Sutra. And Nishedh Sutra is saying that na bhoktavyam, na bhoktavyam, na bhoktavyam harer dine. At the day of Ekadashi, one should not eat at all. That means if he is capable, he should not eat. Nishedh Sutra. Okay. So Sanya Sutra, what is the description of the Gaudiya Vaishnava? Na Urdha Pundika, Gairik Varna, Vishnu Upasak. This is Sanya Sutra. The Sanya Sutra is just like Gaudiya Vaishnava. Paribhasha Sutra will say, oh, Urdha Pundra, white tilak and big shikha and tulsi beard threefold. Harinam Diksha, this is Paribhasha Sutra. Vidhi Sutra, oh, Vaishnava should daily go to the temple and offer 3 times bhoga and chant 16 rounds. Vidhi Sutra. Niyam Sutra, Vaishnava should not join into any prajalpa. You should always talk about Harikatha. Vidhi Sutra. Niyam Sutra, a Vaishnava should go to the house of a Vaishnava and eat from a Vaishnava, but cannot go to a house where there is a childbirth or a death, for example. Vidhi Sutra, avoiding this. He can go if he is a Vaishnava, Vidhi Sutra. He can go to a marriage if it is a Vaishnava marriage. So it's allowing, but also Vidhi, it's putting the boundary lines. And Nishedh is one Vaishnava should not eat Nikadashi. The Nishedh Sutra. And Ati Sutra, Atidesh is one Vaishnava should not eat. But children below 8 and above 80 has no rules. So Atidesh, overlapping the conditions. And Adhikar Sutra, you try to understand the discipline of a sannyasi of Gaudiya Sampradaya. You have to understand the Vanaprastha Ashram and the Brahmacharya Ashram, the rules of Brahmacharya Ashram and the Grihastha Ashram. So this is Adhikar. If you understand what Brahmachari, what Grihasthi, what Vanaprasthi, then you will understand what is sannyasi. This is Adhikar. Am I clear? क्या समझ में आया कुछ कि नहीं आया?
Yes, yes.
प्रभु जी आया, थोड़ा फास्ट आप चल गए, रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी. But it was easy. Actually, you are defining everything, so I understand that what is Vidhi, what is Adesh, what is Adhikar, what is Nishedh, all we got it.
So 6 प्रकार की सूत्र होती है. संज्ञा च, परिभाषा च, विधिर नियम एव च, अतिदेशो अधिकारश्च षड्विधम सूत्र लक्षणम. जो संज्ञा सूत्र होती है जो सिर्फ संज्ञा देगा, नाम संज्ञा. किसका नाम पंकज जी है, इनका नाम सर्वदेव, इनका नाम प्रदीप्त गौरांग, इनका नाम पद्मराधा, इनका नाम सिद्धार्थ दास. दैट्स इट. नामकरण संज्ञा. नाउ परिभाषा संज्ञा. Pankaj stays in Pune. He has 2 children. Sarvadev Das is a brahmachari and Siddhartha Das is staying. This is Paribhasha. Vidhi Sutra. Vidhi Sutra is, we'll talk about the Vidhis. Some calls coming. Can you stop it? Someone's call is coming. Please stop it.
From our group?
Yes, from our group. So, Sanya Sutra परिभाषा सूत्र, विधि सूत्र, नियम सूत्र, अतिदेश सूत्र। अतिदेश सूत्र, अतिदेश क्या होता है समझा देता हूं। अतिदेश जब होता है, नियम तो बने हुए हैं, और नियम ये है कि आपको जो है रास्ते में हमेशा बाएं तरफ चलना चाहिए, और बाएं ही चलना चाहिए, ये नियम बनाया हुआ है। कभी भी दाहिने नहीं चलाना चाहिए, विधि भी हो गई। अब अतिदेश क्या कह रहा है, जब देखो कि वहां पे एक कार एक्सीडेंट है तो आप दाएं से मुड़ सकते हैं, अतिदेश हो गया, ओवरटेकिंग द रूल्स। और अधिकार सूत्र क्या है कि आप बाएं गाड़ी क्यों चलाना चाहिए, कोई पूछता है ना, भारतीय संविधान में ये लिखा हुआ है। समझ गए? तो जो भारतीय संविधान जानता है, जो ट्रैफिक रूल्स जानता है, वो किस तरह यूएसए में, यूके, यूरोप में दाहिने हाथ गाड़ी चलाते हैं। In Europe, they drive in the right side. In India, we drive in the left side. Isn't it? So, you have to understand the European constitution, their rules, their citizens' priority. All these things, if you understand, then you will understand why these rules are being applied. There are different rules in US and Europe, and there are different rules in India. So according to the need, evolve their constitution and the rules. Right. So that's when I was in Europe, I'm in Ukraine. So I had a big difficulty whenever I have to go with somebody. We go to the left side to board the car, and I was always going to the right side because we are used to that. You know, on the right side, the driver sits, and you sit on the left side. तो किसी के साथ जाना होता है तो मैं पहले ही राइट लेफ्ट साइड में आता हूँ।
So it happens with me many times.
Anyway.
Actually, when I'm coming from India to Qatar, so when I'm driving, I always go to right seat for sitting, then I have to change. This is in my mind, always happened this. And sometimes if there is a single road,
Yeah.
I'm getting confused. Okay, anyway, so this sutras are first chapter of Lagu Siddhant, right? I saw this. Sangya cha, pravasha cha, विधि नियम
विधिर नियम एव च अधिकारश्च
अतिदेशो
षड्यं सूत्र लक्षणम। But
okay,
it seems to be very simple, but until you understand all the sutras, it's not easy.
Yes,
you know, after completion of the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi completely, then one understands what is Vidhi Sanya, what is Sanya, what is Paribhasha and Niyam. But
yes.
I'm giving you at the beginning,
Yes,
that
you have given us the idea.
this consciousness.
Yeah, we have the idea now. Whenever it will come, we will found this. Yes, you teach us,
Yeah.
you taught us earlier also, but we missed this.
Yeah, that's why I'm bringing up. I'm saying that
Yeah.
I'm inculcating the samskara gradually.
Yes.
So I'm saying the things, you are not imbibing everything, then again I'm repeating. I repeated Pratipadik Shabda,
Yes,
and
Prabhuji,
then
grateful.
Parasmipadi Atmapadi Dhatu. This way, the samskara will be inculcated, because see, 4,700 sutras. So it's not a very just a like flat ABCD book, you understand? It contains so many things and so many terms, and the terms also sometimes overlap. Like here, Kshatri Pratyaya and Shanach is there. Now the term is at Satsanya. समझिए पंकज जी? So now the term
I think we lost Prabhuji. वो
एग्जिट हो गए हो तो इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है।
मे बी उनका इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है। यस,
हाँ, आ जाएंगे।
2 दिन से बहुत बारिश हो रही है वृंदावन में।
हरे कृष्णा।
एक सेकंड के लिए बंद नहीं हो रहा है।
अच्छा, सर्वदेव प्रभु जी भी वृंदावन में रहते हैं?
हम आपके दास यहीं पे रहते हैं।
प्रभु जी वृंदावन में रहने वाले दास कैसे हो गए?
अरे
आप तो प्रभु हैं, आप तो राधा जी के दास हैं।
हम राधा रानी के दास बनना चाह रहे
तो हम सबके तो फिर वो हो गए ना, गुरु ही हो गए एक किस्म के।
हैं। देखिए आप तो कतर में है, तेल को निकाल रहे हैं।
So Prabhuji, message that we will conclude today.
Okay,
अच्छा
okay,
मैसेज,
okay,
So
okay,
I
okay.
will,
हाँ, उनका
I
इंटरनेट
will,
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
I will close the
Good.
class. Okay,
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 Hare
okay,
Krishna,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna.
Hare
हरे
Krishna.
वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो